you get that reminder. Time for AC maintenance. It's easy to ignore. What's the worst that could happen? The worst isn't a simple breakdown. Skipping just one visit could instantly void your manufacturer's warranty. Beyond that, you could cut your AC's lifespan in half, turning a 15-year investment into an 8-year liability. These are the quiet costs, the ones you don't notice until it's far too late and far too expensive. We're going to uncover this chain reaction, revealing the mounting costs to your wallet, comfort, health, and safety. So where does this financial drain begin? It starts silently, appearing on your monthly utility bill. Fact 1. An unserviced AC loses about 5% of its efficiency for every single year of neglect. Fact 2. This happens because dirty filters and clogged coils force the system to struggle for the same result. Fact 3. That 5% loss compounds. After 3 years, you're paying 15% more on cooling for worse performance. This constant overwork is a death sentence for your AC's components. A light jog becomes a grueling sprint. But how does a bit of dust cause thousands in mechanical failure? What's the first real domino to fall? The answer is in the heart of your unit, the compressor. It's the most expensive part and the first victim of neglect. Your AC coils release heat. When caked in dirt, they can't do their job. The compressor runs harder to compensate. This strain leads to overheating and total failure. This is how a basic cleaning prevents a $3,000 repair. Another mechanism is frozen coils. Restricted airflow from a dirty filter stops warm air from reaching the evaporator. An iced-over coil can't absorb heat, so the AC runs constantly but cools nothing. It can also cause serious water damage. So we've covered the damage to your machine. What about the damage happening inside your home and to you? Your AC is your home's respiratory system. A dirty filter circulates dust and allergens, causing allergy flare-ups. Worse than dust, the dark, damp interior of a neglected AC is a perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew. Clogged drain lines cause water to stagnate, feeding mold growth that is then blown directly into your living space. Neglect also destroys comfort. Poor airflow creates hot and cold spots, and the system can't properly dehumidify. The costs to your finances and health are clear. Now we enter the territory of major home-damaging problems. Remember that voided warranty from the start? Manufacturers insist on maintenance because failure is a certainty. Neglect massively increases your risk of a sudden breakdown, which always happens during the year's hottest week. A tech could have fixed a $50 belt, but now that it's snapped, it has caused a $2,000 compressor failure. That clogged drain line doesn't just grow mold, it overflows, leaking water into ceilings, walls, and floors. We've seen wallet, comfort, and structural costs. But what is the most serious hidden danger of a neglected system? The ultimate risk is safety. Frayed wiring and overheating motors are documented fire hazards in HVAC systems. Recall that overworked compressor? A strained system is also far more likely to develop dangerous refrigerant leaks. And those hot spots? They cause your system to short cycle, turning on and off constantly, accelerating wear. It's all connected. Financial waste, mechanical damage, poor health, and safety risks are symptoms of one cause: neglect. So the quiet cost isn't one thing. It's the slow bleed of higher energy bills and the ticking clock on your AC's lifespan. The choice is between proactive prevention and a cascade of reactive, expensive, and stressful consequences. Studies show lack of maintenance can raise operating costs by 30 to 60%. A service call is a fraction of that. The quietest cost is regret. Protect your investment, your home, and your well-being. Schedule your maintenance.